It's signifying from wearing sneakers to now wearing heels, and we are now
Ay,
ready
okay na, may tissue
to
yata siya.
accept or enter the new journey of our life, the adulthood. So, at this point, ladies and gentlemen, we witness the metamorphosis of our debutant, Miss Charlene Way, through the changing of the shoes from sneakers now into heels. They say that shoes bring us or take us to different places. And now, Charlene, you're ready to take your new journey. You are ready to face the new challenges of the world of adulthood. Muli, ladies and gentlemen, papakalaman po natin Charlene together with Miss Melody and Rockaneto, the metamorphosis. At syempre, kung meron bang tao na very proud sa ating debutant, kung meron bang may pinakamasaya ngayong araw na ito, that will be her one and only Molly. Kaya naman, sa pagkakataon na ito, let us now listen to a message from Molly Javina para po sa ating debutant. Palakpakan po natin, ladies and gentlemen.
Iiyak na yan.
Hi everyone! Hello! Una sa lahat, gusto kong magpasalamat sa Panginoon sa mga blessings na pinagkaloob niya sa aming pamilya.
Tissue. Ganda tissue. Sabi ko sa'yo, magdala ka ng tissue na madami.
Ako kay Pastor dahil sa patuloy niyang pananalangin sa aming mag-anak. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all of you who gathered here tonight. And I would like to thank you all for spending your time in the celebration of my daughter's
Unika, iha.
18th birthday.
Apo, little miss you talaga ate love ko. Okay lang yan.
Ang wish ko lang sa kanya, sana'y, anak, makatapos ka ng iyong pag-aaral.
Ganda tissue ko. Tissue ko. Parang naman ikaw. Ganda tissue ko. Ako naman ang naiinit.
Stay as sweet as you are, baby. Ano man narating na pagsubok sa'yo, anak ko?
Andito lang ako.
Andito lang ako kasi I'm your best friend.
Yeah. So true. Ganda tissue mo.
Kaya ano man yung magiging problema mo in the future.
Dapat tuwalya pala binigay.
Para sa'yo.
Tuwalya dapat binigay.
I-impronto mo nila.
Okay?
Okay. I love you.
Let's enjoy.
Alam mo, ikaw yung favorite
Daughter. Daughter lang. Daughter.
favorite ko ng babae.
Oo nga.
May babaeng dadagdag.
Tandaan mo yan.
Kirby.
Okay. So guys, I welcome you all.
And enjoy the night.
I hope we enjoy this party.
Yay!